Unlocking powerful communication tools is just a few clicks away. Let's get your Plivo account set up. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Plivocom. You can simply search for Plivo on your favorite search engine to find the official website. Once you're on the Plivo homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Now you'll see the account creation form. Start by entering your full name in the designated field. Accuracy here is important for your account verification. Next, crucially, enter your email address. Make sure this is an email you actively use, as Plivo will send important account confirmations and updates to this address. Create a strong, secure password for your account. Plivo usually provides a password strength indicator to help you choose a robust password. Combine letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Before proceeding, you'll need to agree to Plivo's terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to review these documents. Then check the box to indicate your agreement. With all the required information filled out, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to submit your registration. Check your email inbox. You should receive a verification email from Plivo. Open this email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your email address and activate your account. Congratulations! Your Plivo account is now created and active. You've successfully gained access to Plivo's suite of communication services, ready to explore features like voice calls, SMS messaging, and managing your virtual phone numbers.